you doing, Ray? You gonna sit in it? Oh, look at the baby.
Ready? It's your baby. Ready? Want me to push you? Mona.
I got it on video.
Oh my gosh, I think it broke.
Oh, look at this.
I think it might have. I heard a snap.
Wait, we're putting it together. Wait.
Oh my god, that was so funny.
That was hilarious.
Okay.
Okay. Want to put the baby in there? Ready? It's not for you, is it? Why don't we get one for me? There's one outside for you. Definitely have to do something with these. That's kind of stupid, right? We're making a
You think maybe they would Velcro them or something, you know?
Or make them where they slide down for me.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just go roll and glue it.
Yeah. Here you go, Reagan. Keep your thing on hold me. I'll run her into the door.
That was so funny.
That was like her in the tub.
Uh-huh. That was...
What you got?
Hey, you gotta come right this way.
Reagan, lay down.
And then she starts laughing.
Well, she didn't laugh at this one.
No, she didn't.
She didn't cry though.
Reagan. Reagan.
I
Reagan!
don't me, Mom. I'm watching the bubbles.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
You're not too good of a mom.
Your baby's gonna be in the emergency room all the time.
What are you doing, you turd?